Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make lamb steak at home using an easy method. First, select high-quality lamb loin or sirloin steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. This thickness helps achieve a perfect cook. Before seasoning, pat the lamb thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful, crispy sear. Then, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh rosemary or thyme for aromatic flavor. Now, let's get that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet, cast iron works wonderfully, over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned lamb steaks in the hot oil. Sear them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side, aiming for a rich, golden brown crust that locks in all those delicious juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan along with some garlic cloves and a sprig of rosemary for extra flavor. Spoon the melted butter and aromatics over the lamb steaks for about 2 to 3 minutes, basting continuously. This helps finish the cooking evenly. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer. Once cooked, it's crucial to let your lamb steaks rest. Transfer them to a cutting board and allow them to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This redistributes the juices, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. When ready, slice the lamb against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Serve your beautifully cooked lamb steak immediately alongside your favorite sides, perhaps some roasted asparagus, creamy mashed potatoes, or a crisp green salad. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.